feel my heartbeat. You say it's fine, don't be afraid. No need to worry about tomorrow or today. But I know I can't control the way I'm feeling. Can you